So we'll just exchange money. It was as advertised, no provision, whatever. So it's a good place to exchange money. And now we're heading to this big tower thingy with a big ball on top. But still pretty dead city, no people. It's artificial city, so they could have done it better maybe. But I guess all these big distances, they make it harder for people to walk around. So you can use a bike like this guy. And that's why, that's my thought, that's why the streets are pretty much empty. I feel so alone. No, it's okay. We'll go to this big thingy. I'm sure there is an entrance fee. So once I get there, I'll let you know how much it costs. But it shouldn't be more than like $5 as I've seen on internet. So from first hand you will know now the exact number in tenge. That's Kazakhstan currency. Kazakhstan currency. You have to say it right if you say it, otherwise don't say it at all, you know. So yeah, we go to the big tower thingy. There it is. Fits perfectly into the camera, so that's good. Nah, not so perfect anymore. Ah, this guy is funny. See? He seems to be in a rush, yeah, where there's no people. And there we have another tower. And that's it. So, next video I expect the view from up there. Hopefully, if it's not closed. Yeah, that's me.